Hey Sugar Snaps, welcome to the Textile Indie YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Here on YouTube, I share tutorials and inspiration in fiber and textile crafts, things like spinning, knitting, natural dyeing, basketry, and other crafts. And in the month of November, I'm doing a daily vlog where every day except Wednesday and Saturday, I put out some sort of vlog content. Wednesday, I do a tutorial, and then Saturday, I share a project that I am working on or have done. If you're an old friend, welcome back. Glad to have you. Today I am sharing a little studio tour of my creative space, and it might be on the messy side, but we're just gonna dive in and I'll show you the true, real colors of Textile Indie. Bailey has done a lot of organizing, but it's hard to keep up with me, so you know, it's very utilitarian in my studio space because I need to be able to do stuff. So it's disorganized rather quickly. So first off, I want to share my filming space. This is part of the upstairs of my house, and it's a nice open space. We've put in some IKEA shelving in order to have some storage and a backdrop for filming, and it helps a lot to be able to have all of my dye materials and basket tools and all that kind of stuff easily in reach and sorted out by project and ready to use when I'm filming or when I'm working on my own projects. And then there's a nice big closet that I can store lots of fiber, yarn, and other materials in for lots of different projects. So easy access. Attached to this space, we have a little studio bathroom, which about a year ago, my husband and I started renovating, and I have yet to move forward with the tiling, so it's kind of stagnated to a complete halt until I get up the gumption to work on the tiling, hopefully this winter. It would be really nice to have a bathroom up here. But until then, this space has become the junk stop, and things just get thrown in there when we're trying to clean up for a video or something like that. So that's why that's a disaster. And then in this space, we have our offices. This is where I do all of my editing and all of my computer work. And then when Bailey's in the studio, she has a standing desk here as well. And again, lots of storage because there's just a lot that you accumulate book-wise, material-wise, when you do fiber arts. It's not exactly the most minimalistic thing to be doing. Last up is our shop space. We have we call it the shop closet, and that is where we store all of our reed and tools and all of the other supplies and things that we sell on our Textile Indie shop. Find the links to that in the description below. And then Bailey's kit making area where she puts together the basket kit and fulfills orders and maintains the shop in general. Well, that's a quick glimpse of our studio space that we're working in. This has been really fun to develop over the last few years and start to turn into a functional space, but also something that's cozy and pleasant to work in. I definitely lean more towards being able to use a space than necessarily decorating, but I'm trying to get to the point where it's cozy and creative and beautiful place to work as well as functional. It's a journey, folks. But we're getting there, and I'm enjoying this space. It's the first time I've had a large amount of space to call a studio and to work in, and I'm really enjoying it, feeling very blessed and very grateful that we have the opportunity to use this space and to create in it and share it here on YouTube and on my website, textileindie.com. So thanks for coming on this journey with me today. Like this video because it makes my heart happy, and subscribe if you haven't already because I do put out twice a week content, a tutorial on Wednesdays and a project that I'm doing on Saturdays. And if you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll get notified whenever I put out a new video. I'm going to sign off today with the creative encouragement of the day, which is to decorate your life with the colors of joy, love, and creativity. Thanks for joining me for today's video, and until tomorrow, happy making. Bye.